Small cap stocks can be an exciting space to invest in. These are smaller, often younger companies on the stock exchange which have the potential to grow significantly. Every big company started as a small cap, but are generally less stable than mid or large cap stocks. Take the likes of Amazon. It listed as a small cap stock in 1997. Shares cost just $18 a pop then. Now it's a mega cap company with the price of each share in the hundreds of dollars. Historically, small caps, due to their growth prospects, trade at a premium. But right now, many are at a discount. So which small caps have the best potential to become big cap giants in the future? To find out more, I'm joined by Henry Jennings, Senior Market Analyst from Marcus Today. Henry, good to see you.
Good to see you.
Small cap stocks, when you look at them as part of your portfolio, how should you see them?
Well, I think you should see them obviously as somewhat more speculative, but they can be life-changing in some respects. I mean, we've had investors who have made extraordinary amounts of money, by, I guess, the trick is not to buy them, the trick is not to sell them. And that is the easy thing. I mean, you talked about Amazon at $18 when it first listed. Who would have thought it would become Amazon now? Certainly when it first listed, you would have thought, nah, they're losing money. But the trick has been all along is to keep the faith and to be patient and see the gains over that long period of time, and not to sell them, not to say, oh, it's gone from 18 to 25, I'll sell them. I mean, people always have that regret, especially with small caps. So they can change your life, but the interesting thing is knowing to hold, and when the story just gets better and better and better and kind of snowballs.
So high risk, potentially high return. So have a little portfolio of them, sort of in case you get one or two winners out of five?
Well, I think that's the way to go, yes. I mean, they are speculative, so you don't want to put all your eggs in one basket, obviously, but certainly having a percentage of your portfolio in small caps, which can really turbocharge things and give it that kicker at the end, can be quite beneficial.
Okay, give us a couple of small caps that you like at the moment. What's your first one?
Zip is my first one. The business model, buy now, pay later, we all know, rode the coattails of Afterpay, did very, very well. Then it kind of fell into a bit of a hole, and it's had an amazing renaissance. Still really valued very cheaply by the market. It's half the price in some multiples of Affirm and Sezzle, some of its competitors in the US, and very focused on the US. The other one that I've been looking at is a familiar theme, I guess, to lots of people at the moment, is defense, drones. DRO, Drone Shield, is another one that I've been following for a long time. Huge potential, huge market out there. Drone Shield builds the products that take out and can kind of nullify the effects of drones, so they can protect assets. We've got the World Cup coming up in the US next year, and obviously protecting assets from drone attack is a very big thing, both militarily and civilian.
An Australian company.
It's an Australian company.
That's fantastic, isn't it?
And it's, you know, it's not a big cap at the moment, so it is doing pretty well at the moment, and it's a good space.
Absolutely. So Zip, Drone Shield. Next one?
The next one is Antipa Minerals, which is a West Australian gold stock. Lots of M&A going on there, exploration, and more importantly, it's got big neighbours, Greatland Gold, Rio, in that vicinity. So a bit of M&A activity to come in gold, big project there. So that one looks good as well.
Okay, next one.
Brazilian rare earths. Now, we've had a lot of rare earths talk with the Chinese and the US talks about rare earths, but it's just highlighted how important they are. Brazilian rare earths does what it says on the box. It's in Brazil. It's rare earths, the Monte Alto project. It's got big shareholders, Regal, Gina Reinhardt's also a shareholder, Hancock Prospecting. Rare earths, big project.
Okay.
The final one is Macquarie Technology, and that is, you know, those guys have done a fantastic job. They've never raised money since listing until last year when they raised, I think it was $100 million to start building out data center capability. And other times it will sag because very few shares traded. At the moment, it's kind of down on its lower levels, so it's got potential.
Henry, great to see you. And of course, if you're really interested in small cap stocks, Henry's the master of it. You can subscribe to Marcus Today as well. Details on the screen there. Good to see you.
Thanks, Koshi.